Chapter 27. The importance of licensed operating systems. Using licensed software is crucial for ensuring legal compliance, security, and access to the full range of features and functionality. Licensed operating systems provide peace of mind by preventing copyright infringement, offering regular updates and security patches, and delivering a stable and reliable computing experience. With licensed software, users can enjoy comprehensive technical support and seamless compatibility with other hardware and software components.
Legal compliance and avoiding piracy. 1. Prevent copyright infringement. Licensed software ensures that you are using the software legally, helping to avoid the legal consequences of piracy and copyright infringement. 2. Access to support and updates. Licensed software typically comes with access to support services and regular updates from the vendor, providing a more reliable and secure computing experience.
Improved security and stability. 1. Vulnerability fixes. Licensed software receives security patches and updates to address vulnerabilities, reducing the risk of exploitation by malware or cyber attacks. 2. Stable performance. Licensed software is more likely to be thoroughly tested and optimized for stability and performance compared to pirated or counterfeit versions.
Access to features and AMP functionality. 1. Full feature set. Licensed software provides access to the full range of features and functionality offered by the product, ensuring a complete and satisfying user experience. 2. Compatibility. Licensed software is more likely to be compatible with other software and hardware components, reducing compatibility issues and ensuring smooth operation.
The importance of keeping your system updated. 1. Security updates. Regularly install security updates and patches provided by the operating system vendor to address vulnerabilities and protect against malware and cyber attacks. 2. Performance improvements. Operating system updates often include performance optimizations and bug fixes, leading to improved system stability, responsiveness, and overall performance. 3. Compatibility and interoperability. Updates may include drivers and compatibility fixes that improve support for new hardware devices or address compatibility issues with existing hardware and software components.
The benefits of automatic updates. 1. Timely security patches. Automatic updates ensure that critical security patches are installed promptly, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities and protecting against cyber threats. 2. Improved performance. Automatic updates often include performance optimizations and bug fixes, leading to a more responsive and stable computing experience. 3. Enhanced compatibility. Automatic updates can improve compatibility with new hardware and software, ensuring seamless integration and interoperability.
Patch management and security. 1. Identify vulnerabilities. Regularly monitor for security updates and patches released by the operating system vendor to address known vulnerabilities. 2. Prioritize and schedule. Assess the severity of vulnerabilities and prioritize the installation of critical security patches to mitigate the most pressing threats. 3. Implement updates. Ensure that security updates and patches are promptly installed across all systems to maintain a secure computing environment.
Technical support and vendor assistance. 1. Access to support. Licensed software often includes access to technical support services, allowing users to seek assistance when encountering issues or challenges. 2. Regular updates. Vendors of licensed software release regular updates and patches to address bugs, improve performance, and introduce new features, enhancing the user experience over time. 3. Compatibility assurance. Licensed software is more likely to be compatible with other software and hardware components, reducing compatibility issues and ensuring smooth operation.
Quiz. 1. What is the primary reason for using licensed software? A. Legal compliance and avoiding piracy. B. Access to technical support. C. Improved system performance. D. All of the above.
2. What advantage does licensed software provide in terms of security? A. Access to technical support. B. Regular security updates and patches. C. Improved system stability. D. Compatibility with other software.
3. Why is it important to keep your operating system updated? A. To increase hardware compatibility. B. To improve system performance. C. To address security vulnerabilities. D. All of the above.
4. What is a benefit of enabling automatic updates for your operating system? A. It ensures timely installation of critical security patches. B. It reduces system performance. C. It increases the risk of compatibility issues. D. It requires manual intervention for every update.
5. What does patch management involve? A. Installing new software applications. B. Regularly applying security updates and patches. C. Optimizing system performance. D. Backing up data.
6. What advantage do licensed operating systems provide in terms of technical support? A. Access to security updates. B. Access to bug fixes. C. Access to assistance from the vendor's support team. D. Compatibility with third-party software.
7. What is the purpose of installing security updates and patches? A. To introduce new features. B. To optimize system performance. C. To address vulnerabilities and protect against cyber attacks. D. To improve hardware compatibility.
8. What may operating system updates include to improve system stability? A. Bug fixes. B. Performance optimizations. C. New features. D. All of the above.
9. What advantage do automatic updates provide in terms of reducing downtime? A. They prevent system crashes. B. They require manual intervention for every update. C. They ensure timely installation of critical patches. D. They increase the risk of compatibility issues.
10. What can updates for licensed operating systems introduce to enhance productivity? A. Improved security. B. Bug fixes. C. New features and functionalities. D. All of the above.
Career development programs in cybersecurity. First program is Cyber Sentinel Trailblazer. Duration, 3 months. Second program is Professional Certification Program in IT Governance. Duration, 1 year. Third program is Postgraduate Program in IT Governance and Security Audit. Duration, 2 years. For further information, contact us on 7068710000. Other number is 9878400815.